And to my Facebook users, I'm about to approach the kitchen. I don't know what they are preparing. I heard that they are preparing curry goats, but I don't know if they are cooking it. When you like, subscribe, share my channel, comment on my channel. Right now I'm going to the kitchen. Yes, the guys are preparing curry goats, so I don't know if they're killing the goat in the kitchen or what, but just watch the video, like it, and share it, and subscribe it. Right? So right about now, I'm ready to visit the kitchen.